Please allow me to quote an eyewitness account that was titled Nightmare in Biafra. This eyewitness account of the night of March 20, 1968, that we fled Onitsha, Biafra, appeared in the Sunday Times of London, England, and appeared on page 12 of the April 26, 1968 issue. And I quote, "I have seen things in Biafra this week which no man should have to see. Sights to search the heart and sicken the conscience. I have seen children roasted alive, young girls torn in two by shrapnel, pregnant women eviscerated, and old men blown to fragments. I have seen these things, and I have seen their cause. High-flying Russian Ilyushin jets operated by federal Nigeria, dropping their bombs on civilian centers throughout Biafra." End of quote. The war correspondent that wrote the article, Nightmare in Biafra, continued, and I quote, "At Onitsha, under siege from the federal troops, the 300-strong congregation of the Apostolic Church decided to stay on while others fled and to pray for deliverance. Colonel Mohammed's 2nd Division found them in the church, dragged them out, tied their hands behind their backs, and executed them." End of quote.